to share today are Jewelweed ice cubes. And I made these about a week ago. First I made my Jewelweed juice, which I have a video on in my videos section. If you scroll back a couple weeks, you'll see it's labeled Jewelweed. And actually, maybe I'll just put the link for it down in the description for this video, so you can watch that first on how to make your Jewelweed juice. But it's really easy. You only need water, the Jewelweed, and a blender or good, like Ninja, some kind of processor. So after you make the juice, it only stores in the refrigerator for about 1 week. So it's very helpful if you put the juice into ice cube trays and freeze it. So I do this with Jewelweed because Jewelweed does not dry well. It is very has a lot of mucilage. It's mucilaginous. And that is what is so soothing to the skin. And certain herbs have this mucilage, like slippery elm and marshmallow root and comfrey. And comfrey does dry well, but Jewelweed does not dry so well. It's much better when you have it this like fresh, juicy way. So you can freeze these ice cubes and save them for when you have a skin trauma. When I say a trauma, I mean like a skin situation that is very uncomfortable. And I can feel the sliminess, the mucilage right now as it's slightly melting. And even just on my hands, which have nothing going on, it feels really nice and soothing. So I like it in ice cube form because you can just like rub it on and it'll melt, and that cool feeling will also help whatever feel better. So honestly, I would put this on like a burn that was, you know, a mild burn, but something like you burned a little bit on the stove and you just need to like cool, kind of like aloe. I would put this on rashes and bug bites and different things that just feel uncomfortable that come up on the skin. So I'm just putting them in my freezer bags. I'm not going to put all of them in one bag. I'm going to label it, and like I do everything.
This is going to be
everything I do, I label with the date.